Hello everybody, and I welcome you to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Dudhiya panna pathravodo. Dudhiya pan is called as pumpkin leaf in English. So we will be preparing pathravodo with pumpkin leaf. You need 15 to 20 pumpkin leaves of bigger size, 1 cup urad dal. You will be preparing this pathravodo with urad dal and not with rice as you do for the arbi or the taro leaf patravada. You need 3 to 4 red chilies. You can increase or decrease the number of red chilies as per your spiciness level. Then half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 2 medium size bilimbi or 1 star fruit, or you can even use small gooseberry size tamarind. Water as required and salt to taste. First you have to soak urad dal for 3 to 4 hours. Add urad dal, red chilies, turmeric powder, asafoetida, bilimbi and salt to a mixer grinder and grind it to a fine batter. Yes, fine batter of semi-liquid consistency. It shouldn't be neither too thin or too thick. Take Dudhiya pan or pumpkin leaves, remove the stalk from the leaves, and you can even pull out the veins. If it is a mature leaf, you can even pull out the veins. Then you have to place, for preparing the pathravodo, you have to place this leaf with the back side of the leaf facing up, or it is facing us. Okay, that is the vein portion is more towards our side, facing us. Okay. And you have to apply batter onto the veins back portion of the leaf. Then you have to take another leaf, place it above this leaf, apply batter onto it. In that way you have to do with 2 or 3 leaves more, applying batter each time and placing one above the other. You have to start folding the leaves. You have to fold from the tip. You have to fold it inward, or else you can even, there are so many ways of folding the leaves, but this is the method that I have followed. You can fold it with the tip inside. Okay, first fold the tip inside, then bring together both the ends of the leaf from the sides to the center. You can fold it, then apply some batter onto that region, then again fold it lengthwise, apply batter, and then you can either roll it or bring both the ends together towards the center as you do for normal patravada preparation, or else even you can roll it, apply the urad dal batter to all the sides. In this way you have to repeat the procedure with all the leaves. How it will, and this is how it will look like. You can even cut the patravada that you have rolled and kept into pieces as I have shown in the photograph, or else you can fry them as such without cutting also. Now next what you have to do is you have to heat oil in a kadai for deep frying, and then you have to fry these prepared pumpkin leaf patravadas until golden brown in color and is cooked well. Your patravada is ready to be served, and you can serve it hot, have it along with rice, or else you can have it as such also. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.